Hello friends, let's solve another problem from LeetCode. It's a median of two sorted arrays. So our inputs will be two different arrays, norm1 and norm2, which is of different size m and n, and we'll have to find the median of the two arrays with the sum of the merge of the two given arrays. And we'll have to solve it in the complexity log of big O of log m plus n. So let's check the example. So in the example we have 1 3 and another one is 2. So if we'll uh, merge these two arrays, we'll have 1 2 and 3. Since the size of the array is odd, so we'll have the median as the mid, that is 2. And in other case we have 1 2 and 3 4. Here our merged array will be 1 2 3 4, and our median will be uh, 2 plus 3 by 2, which is 2.5. So let's solve. uh, let's take a variable m. M will be length of norms1, and n would be length of norms2. Next we'll take I equals to 0, which will be our index of norms1, and we'll take j equals to 0, which will be our index of norms2. Let's take two variable m1 equals to -1, and m2 equals to -1. So m1 and m2 will store the median values here as we go on. We'll do a loop here for count in range of we'll do m plus n. We'll do double slash, so it's a floor division by 2 plus 1. So since median is the midpoint, we need to traverse only till the mid of both the array length. In here it's 1 2 3 4. So we have 2 here, 2 here. So 2 to 4 by 2 plus 1, which is 3. So we need to travel till 3. And in here we have 1 2 3. So we need to travel till 2. Let's put a check. Okay. If I not equals to m and j not equals to n, then I will do our actual check here. If norms1 of I less than norms2 of j. We'll also include the equals to here, so that in case we have same numbers in both the array, it will be covered. So what we'll do is we'll put m1 equals to norms1 of I, and I plus equals to 1, and on the else part we'll cover the other case. So m1 equals to norms2 of j, and m1 equals to m1 we have it j plus equals to 1. So this loop will cover the cases till I not equals to m and j not equals to n, means common length. For example, here we have 1 3 and here we have 2. So this loop will be executed till the first element of till the common element till we have common elements in both the arrays. So first element of here and second element of here, and for rest of the cases, let's write a else loop, else check. Else if our norms 1 array is larger than norms 2, so in that case I would be less than m. Here all the details of this would be same. Okay, we'll put it here, indentation. Okay, and on the else case we'll put here, and out of the loop we'll return m1 if m plus n modulo 2 equals to 1, else we'll return m1 plus m2 by 2. Here we didn't assign m2, so let's assign that. So whenever we'll run this loop again, so we'll keep the m1 variable in m2, and we'll have the latest median value in m1. Okay, let's run. Sorry, this is elif, short name for else. So test case 1, it's accepted. We have 1 3 and norms 2 is 2. So on merged array we'll have 1 2 3 and median is 2. And on case 2 we have 1 2 3 4, and on median we'll have 2 plus 3 5 by 2, which is 2.5. Thank you for watching.